These will be the elevators at an office building in Freehold, New Jersey. I know what these used to be. Here it is. Innovation decorator. Better hide this. Go to 4. Listen to the motor. Federal elevator. Here at 4. One down, 4th floor. Look at a cab going on. Here's your cab, yo. Very nice cab. Yeah. 2,000 pound capacity, firefighters operation. These might have been Dovers before. These things are so smooth I don't feel them. I like those lights too. Ooh, listen to them motors. Sound like they got Supernova. Chewbacca. We'll send this one up. We'll get the other one. Takes a while, but this one. Ooh, where's that machine room? What's this? I don't even know where the machine room is. Hopefully we'll get the other one. It probably used to be Dover's, judging by the motors. Oh, we got, ooh, look at those indicators. These look a lot like Otis. Wonder who did the mod. These look like Dover door frames too from the 70s. Go up to 4, listen to the motor on this one. Meant to press door close. Didn't mean to press the alarm. Here's your cab, yo. Very nice elevator like the other one. I'm willing to bet these were originally Dovers based on the motors. Though this could say these were Otis based on the capacity too. Let's see if anyone needs it. There it goes, and